Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to charge your device safely. So first you'll have to check the battery capacity of your device. To do that, open the Start menu and start searching for CMD. Once you find it, run it as administrator. Click Yes. And right here, we'll have to input power CFG spacebar / battery report. And now select this path over here, like this, and right click on it, then go to your file explorer and paste this path right here in the path field. And you'll open the battery report, and here what we want to take a look at is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So as you can see, our device uses 60 watts per hour, so we need an AC adapter that will provide it with this with at least 60 watts per hour. So since our laptop needs an AC adapter, make sure that you're using at least like 65 watts adapter. Let me show you mine real quick. So if you take a closer look right here, you'll see that the output is 65 watts, which means that it's perfect for this laptop. So it's an original one, but if you're not using an original one, then at least make sure that it provides your device with enough power, and make sure that it's from a genuine, from a reliable distributor, because if it's not, if it's some cheap AC adapter, it might as well break your PC. Now, how to charge your PC directly? You have to plug in the USB Type-C cable connected to your adapter right here into this slot on the left edge of your PC. So you just connect it right here, and this way your PC will be charged. So just keep in mind that you have to have an AC adapter that provides your device with just enough power for it to function. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.